See here, we are discussing on the black box testing. Inside black box testing, what is telling you? The last point it is here. Last point it is telling you takes more time and much more expensive. Takes and much more expensive. This is my black box. If I will come to my white box here, the white box will be tell you give the information. Tester is given support. Tester is given support resources from the organization, because this is complete knowledge. That's why they have the support is there. Tester is given support resources from the complete support is there from the organization. And then after we have here the gray box. Gray box is there inside. If I'll be discussing the gray box is telling you that I have given the examples on the gray box, like IP range provided here inside the gray box. Partial knowledge, okay, that is my partial knowledge inside my gray box. So in the gray box we have here IP range provided, IP range provided, and then after the other examples we have here company emails to create phishing campaigns, right? I told you. So these are the things here. We have the inside my black box, we have the white box, and then after we have the gray box. Questions should be asked you, what is the testing strategies? These all terms are coming inside my what? Testing. Wait a minute. This all things is come on side my testing strategies. Clear or not? This all things is my testing strategy. We have here the black box, we have here the white box, and then after a gray box. Questions will be 100% asking what is the black box, what is the differences, or maybe inside the multiple choices they will change the points. Okay, so go inside that and study this all. This is my testing strategy. Then after we are coming here, next is my support.
Don't clean it, sir.
Understood. Next point I'm covering here, that is my support resources. Support.
Sir, I didn't finish taking it, sir.
Support resources. So the support resources is telling you.
Hello, sir.
Generally, the provided the support resources should go to whom? Either we have three strategies are there, right? Either we have the black box, we have the white box, and then after we have the gray box. So according to you, the support resources should be go to whom? Support resources. Support resources should be go to whom? Which strategies? Sir, can you give for the previous stage? Okay. No, it's deleted. It's deleted. No, it's not there. Okay, I'll be tell you. The last page is what? The last page is telling you. We have black.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
We are discussing the black box.
Sir, can you hear me?
We have white box, and then after we have here gray box. These are the three. If I'm talking about the black box, the point is this telling you more expensive. Clear? If I'm talking about the white box, complete supports, because white box is what? It is full knowledge test. Full knowledge test. If I'm talking about the black box is my there is no knowledge. That's why it is more expensive. No knowledge test. Clear? And if I'll be come on my gray box partial. Okay. See here, if I'll be give the examples, if I'll be work on the white box, supports will be provided. From the organization. from the organization. Okay, and if I become on the gray box, the examples we have what? The examples we have the IP ranges provided, and next is mine here. Company emails used to create the phishing campaigns. So these are the, we have the examples and we have the knowledge on my black box, white box, and then after we have the gray box. Clear? Then clear this point?
Hello, sir. Hello.
You over just write the message there, okay? Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. So this part we have done. Then after I'm coming on the support resources, okay? If we are discussing on the support resources is for whom? My question to you, Momo, what I'm asking you, it will be used, and if the support is there, support resources, that is for whom? Which strategies we will provide? Support resources for whom? We have three boxes, right? We have white, we have black, wait a minute, and we have gray. If we check what is your answer, white, very good. Yeah. For the tester, it is for white. Very good. Yeah, that is for white. Correct. So I'm writing here the points. This is for generally provided support resources generally provided only for the white box penetration tester. White box tester. Clear? What is inside that? If the support team will be there, what they have inside? The statement is like this way. Inside that, we have architecture diagram. We have here sample application requests. We have SDK documentation. SDK documentation. We have soft project. We will see this all, okay? Don't worry about that. This all things we will see. Understood? Dot here. Lots of things we have inside the CISS. Okay. Soft document. So these are the terms we have here. Okay. We will see. So let me start soft. Then after we have here WSDL, WADL. We have here WSDL and WADL. Clear? Then after we have here XDS. So these are the terms we will see. Let me start from the architectural diagram. Okay, what is the architectural diagram for the white box penetration tester? Okay, so right now the sound is clear, Momo. Right now the sound is clear.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
It is good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So let me come here. You find if I'm talking about the architectural diagram. Architectural diagrams. Inside that, see, write the points. Network diagrams. Network diagrams. Software flowcharts. See what I'm writing. What I'm writing, you have to work on that. Okay. Network diagram. You know, like I will show you. We have the diagrams are there when we set up the networks, right? When you set up the company, you have the diagrams are there. Then after we have the software flow diagram charts, physical maps, physical maps of of organizational facilities. So these things is coming inside my network architectural diagram. What is the architectural? Architectural have the diagram. Either we have the hardware, we have the software, and we have the physically and the organizational facilities. These all things is coming inside my architectural. The hardware. If I'm talking about the hardware, that is my network related to my network. Software is required. This is software flowcharts. We need what are the programming language, everything is there, how to execute, everything is written here. Which are the hardware devices, like all things is working here. Then after we have what? The physical maps, how to reach there. Correct or not? Physical setups, how to reach that, everything is there. So according to this, we have to create the architecture that is come inside where? Inside the supports resources. We are talking about the support resources. Inside the support resources, we have the architectural diagram. Inside the architectural diagram, we have the network diagram, we have the software flowcharts, and then after we have the physical map. With the help of this one, we can create the architecture. Clear or not? Fine. Software and physical. Understood my points? Then after you should write here. Next point you should write here. Assist the testers. Assist the testers in mapping out of network topology. In mapping out of network topology. Network topologies. Location of the switch. Location. You understood my point? Location of the switch. I'm talking this one inside that is all points I'm writing. Location of the switch. Projects. And where key information system are located. Where key information info system physically set up. Okay, that what is physical setup. Where key info systems are located. This thing is inside my architectural diagram. I will ask you Monday this all points. So this is my SAR. This is my SAR. SAR is what? This is my software architectural SAD. SAD, that is my software architectural diagram. Software architecture diagram. Clear or not? Then after I am coming on my sample application request. What is sample application request? From this point, Momo,
Yes.
from this point, any doubt, ask me. Write the question
Mm,
if you
yes,
have
sir.
any doubt. Clear this point. Architectural diagram. Clear? Any doubt inside that? Do you have any doubt inside? No. But you can hear me. I did not get the sound. Oh, network diagram part. You have doubt is there. Yeah. Okay. What is the doubt is here? Write the doubt. Sound is not clear again. I want to know what is the need and how it work. Okay. I am telling you. Sound is clear or not compared to before. Compare before. This is clear. Yes, sound is clear. Okay. Thank you. See here, Momo. What it is telling you. Complete diagram. See, if you have to work in a company and you are the architect, okay, or you are the manager inside the company, or you are planning to set up the company. What you need for that? First, you need the location, correct or not? Physical location. You set up the location. That location, you cannot set up the location in the remote area, correct or not? If we'll be do this one, nobody can reach there. So the physical setup is very much important for your organization. Like if I'll be set up my company, I'll be choose according to my budget. I'll be choose the prime location for my physical setup. Correct or not? That things is coming inside my architectural diagram. Architect, you have to work on the physical. Then after you are coming in the software part, or the software you have to run inside that. So software flow charts should be there. Like you are running the programming language. Like the projects are you have inside the project software team are also sitting. Correct or not? If you go inside the company, the hardware team is there. That means network team is there. Then after the software developer are there, software testers are there. Understood or not? Here you have the software developers are there. We have here the software testers are there. Understood or not? So these people are sitting there, clear, and they will work on that to designing and all. Completely come inside my software team. Like you want run one program that will be play a sound like hello, how are you? Okay, so these teams are sitting. That I am giving you an example. Hello, how are you? One programs you have to run. How are you? You have to run this program. And if I'll be run this program, we need a developer. Then after tester should be go, these things should be go to the tester. They will test. Okay, this is working perfectly. Then after they can propose, they can send it to the team, to the higher authority. Like our project is ready. Then after you need a hardware. What the hardware? You need a switch. You need a routers like from the connectivity. You need a that firewall is required to provide the security. So this is come inside your architectural diagram. Understood or not? Clear or not? This point clear? That is the things inside your architecture. They are telling you that is inside support. So who is coming in the support team? They should know about that. What is the requirement? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So then this is my architectural diagram. Next, it is telling you my sample application request. We have here sample sample application requests. Write the point. Generally used to testing for web application testing for web applications or other application or other application or other application developed by organization. Clear my point? This is inside my SAR. This is known as my SAR. Okay, SAR, sort, sample application requests. Okay, so this will be tester or is that teams are sitting inside it, and they can test the application, web applications, or the applications developed by the organization. So it should be going the testing point. Clear? First, the architectural team will be seen, they will work on that, then after it will come on the SAR, SAR will be checked, testing. This is my SAR part. Then after we have the SDK, software developers kits. We have here, the next is my, next you should write here, this is my SDK. SDK, that is what? SDK documentation. This is the supporting one. If I'm talking about the SDK documentation, inside that you will find that is known as our software developers 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 okay, kit. Clear? So what it will do, SDK provides a set of tools. SDK provides a set of tools, libraries, documentation, code samples, processes, or guide to allow faster development faster development of a new application on a platform, of a new application. Clear? This is my SDK documentation. The main important SDK is here. Write in a note. SDK will provide you, right here. SDK provides you, right? SDK provides you code of libraries. Code of libraries. What is the code of libraries, guys? The code of libraries is belongs to here. This all parts: tools, libraries, documentation, code sample, process, or guide to allow guide. This all things is coming inside your libraries part. Tools are there, this all things. So with the help of this one, what you will do, you will check your whatever the projects you are doing with the help of this one, SDK documentation. Clear or not? Fine. Clear, Momo, this point? Right now it's clear? This one, SDK. Okay, I think it should be clear. Okay. Then after I'm coming, the SOAP project file. Next is my SOAP. Let me finish this all. SOAP project file. SOAP files. What is this SOAP? SOAP is telling you simple objective access protocol. Simple objective access protocol. What is inside that? It is a specification will get specification for exchanging structural information. Specification for, starting from here, for exchanging the structural information in the implementation of web services. In the implementation of web services related to our software parts. Okay, that is, we have inside my software part. Soft projects files are created from SOAP, right here. SOAP files are created from WSDL files. We will see, this is files, we will see inside when I will explain you WSDL, that is my web service description language. WSDL files. What is WSDL files, guys? WSDL files is right here. WSDL file is web services description languages. Here, this is my soft projects.